This video will guide you through the Cloudpaging server and enterprise portal installation. In order to complete this video, you will need a computer running one of the supported Windows operating systems listed on this screen, credentials for an Active Directory account with LDAP permissions, the Cloudpaging Studio installation media, and a Cloudpaging server license key file. Open the location of the installation media and run the setup. Select the defaults for all prompts and agree to the terms of the end user license agreement. On the Custom Setup dialog, click the Enterprise Portal add-on item and select the option listed as "This feature and all subfeatures will be installed on the local hard drive." Click Next. A listener port must be added to the SQL Server Express in order for the Cloudpaging server to connect. Open the SQL Server Configuration Manager tool, navigate to the Protocols section, and double-click the TCP/IP option from the right pane. Click the IP Addresses tab and scroll down to the bottom. Add a value of 1433 for TCP port. The SQL Server service must be restarted to pick up the change. The DBJB user will be created during this step. Specify a password for this user and click Next. Type in the default SA password of !it. Enter the correct values for the Active Directory environment you are using. Your values will most likely be different than this video. These values are not created by the installer and must already exist. The Cloudpaging server license must be installed to enable Cloudpaging Server Administrative Console and Cloudpaging Server Enterprise Portal. To access the admin console, open a browser to https://localhost/jukeboxserver. Log in with the user ID of admin and the password of password. Browse to the location of the license file and import it. The information should update to show a valid license key. The Cloudpaging server service must be restarted to recognize the licensing change. Log in to the admin console again, and this time it should show the Cloudpaging services as running. Browse to https:/localhost/jukeboxdrm to access the Enterprise portal. The same admin user ID and password can be used. The Cloudpaging server and Enterprise portal are now ready to be configured for use.